How to know who viewed your profile on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see or how to find out who visited your profile on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo. Once you are here, you're gonna find your profile picture, click on it. Now you click on your profile picture again, and you're gonna find that ring icon up there. Click on it, and this is, you have last 7 days all the people who have visited your profile. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.